Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back with me here in Student Podcast. And back again with me, Aulia Akbar Karim, as your favorite host in this episode and in this podcast. Now here, I am with the student from the Sharia Economic Law Department. And here I will interview them about their majority, about their experience while studying in this campus. But before that, it will be nice for us to get to know to our speakers today. Alright, for the first speakers,
Okay.
What's your name?
Okay, my name is Aqsa.
Aqsa.
Yes.
And where do you come from?
I'm from Bekasi City.
Bekasi.
Yes.
Alright, and the second one, how about you? What's your name?
My name is Abdul.
Abdul. And where do you come from?
I come from Garut.
Garut. And the third speaker, what is your name?
My name is Afdil Muhammad Haq.
And where do you come from?
I am come from Manonjaya, Tasikmalaya.
Alright, from Tasik. Alright, we start this podcast. Alright, the first question, I think this is the basic question I will ask to Abdul.
Of course, with pleasure.
The question is, why did you choose to study at State Islamic University Bandung, and why you choose this major or the Sharia Economic Law Department?
Okay, before that, thank you. Have to give me a chance to answer the question. My reason to choose Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung Islamic University, because this is actually my last hope to continue my education, and my reason to choose this major, when I was registered for independent exam, I see Sharia Economic Law. I was thinking at that time, whoa, I think this is a good or a cool major, because this is economic law.
Yeah.
At the same time, I think we can learn economic and law at the same time, and we can combine about that. I think, but with the simple reason, I can study in this university. I have to accept it by this university on my first choice of major.
Alright, you've mentioned at the first because you were selected in this campus. So my question is, before you were selected to this university, what campus did you choose so you were rejected?
Okay, this is fun fact about me. Before I registered to this university, I have rejected by 3 campus or 3 times.
3 times, alright.
Okay, that's make me sick hurt.
Okay.
My first university that I choose is UPI.
Alright.
The second university is Unpad.
Okay.
Yes. And the last university or the third university is UI.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
so
rejected.
sad. I mean, yeah, I know how you feel because I know how it feels being rejected.
Yes.
Yeah, but not a girl. Yeah. So the second question is, what do you feel when studying in this campus?
My feel when I was studying at this campus, especially in this major about Sharia Economic Law, I think I don't have a lot of experience because they are in middle of our journey.
Yeah.
This is there are in the 4th semester of 8th semester. I have a good experience when there are in first semester is about student leadership training, or we call that LKM.
Yeah.
You all guys know about that. The most interesting thing that I like about student leadership training is there are a lot of discussion forum, and we should debate club, and the good or the interesting there are in our major is to become a differentiate to other majors in Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung State Islamic University. Is there are section is like training academy military, you know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is not really this is not happen with our major. This is happen to our major
Yeah.
because in the LKM, as you know, we just get a lesson, but you at the same time you can get academy military like that.
Yeah, he say because the LKM feels like military academy.
Yeah.
Okay, the third question is, Apo,
Yes.
what was your interesting experience while studying in this university?
One of the most interesting experience while studying in the Sharia Economic Law program was participation in a Sharia Economic course simulation with provided practical and deep insight into the application of Islamic law in economic system,
Okay.
economic context.
Okay. Next question to Axel.
Okay.
From an academic perspective, what is the advantages of your major?
Before to answer that question, my reason choose this campus because I want to become businessman in the future.
All right.
So that's
cool.
the advantage is only in this major we can learn about law of buying and selling transaction in Islam. Yes.
Okay. Apart from these courses, there are definitely several other courses in your major, right?
Yes.
So, what did you study in that department or in that major?
Many lessons, such as usul fiqh course, fiqh ijarah wal ju'alah course,
That's long.
fiqh buying and selling course,
All right.
and others.
In others, right?
Yes.
From that many subject,
Yes.
what is your favorite subject?
I like the Islamic law course.
All right.
Why?
Yeah.
Because in it, I can find out the legal opinions on the activities we do every day. Especially in economic matters.
Yeah. I agree with that because from usul fiqh we can learn the reason why these Muslim scholars. And then, how about you, Apo? What is your favorite subject?
I like management course because they are highly needed.
Highly needed. And how about you, Abdul? What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject, actually, they are in the first semester. The name of the subject is English language.
Yeah.
The reason I like the subject is cause the lecturer is so well to me.
All right.
Give easy assignment to me,
All right.
and him gave me four meeting offs, and at the end of the semester he give me a grade.
All right. So he said that he likes that subject because the final assignment is A. He got a grade A.
Hey.
A grade. And you say that you like management subject, right? What is the obstacles while you study in this campus?
One of the challenging during studies in the Sharia economic law development in the difficult in understanding and applying Sharia concept practical in the complex modern economic system.
So what is the most difficult subject that you ever learned?
I am the struggling the philosophy because it is very difficult to understand to the material.
Okay.
Yes.
And how about you, Axel? What is the most difficult subject that you ever learned?
I find it difficult in course content articles of legislation because in course I'm encouraged to memorize them.
Okay.
But on the other hand, I don't really like memorizing.
So you don't like memorize?
Yes.
Because of
just
that,
don't
that's
like.
the reason you don't like this subject. You hate this subject.
No, I not had.
Oh, you don't have, but
Just
you don't
don't
like.
like,
It. Okay,
yes.
because yeah, all right. Abdul, how about you, Abdul? What is the most difficult subject that you ever learned?
My hardest subject that I learned that are in the third semester.
Okay.
The name of the subject is Hadith Ahkam Muamalah.
Yeah.
Cause in there's activity a lot of reading a kitab,
Yeah.
and the other time we should to translating them. That's actually do things that I can do so well, and the biggest reason I don't like the lesson is because the lecture is so rude to me.
Yeah. Because so the reason is because you don't master the Arabic language.
Of course.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. All right, I think this is the last question to Axel.
Yes.
What is your hope to your campus?
I hope that this State Islamic University Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung can always be a place for everyone who wants to learn and realize their dreams
All right.
to achieve success in the future.
All right.
Yes.
Nice, nice, very nice, very nice. And how about you, Abdul?
My hope actually is so simple. I hope our university can be a leading in Asia when 20 and 45.
Just that.
Just that.
Okay. And
Nice
Apo,
answer.
the last Apo.
Yes,
Is
right.
there anything you want to say to your university or to your faculty or to your department?
I hope that the Sharia Economic Law program can produce competent and integrity-driven graduates who contribute to the development of a just Sharia economy.
All right.
Give us.
All right. Very interesting conversation.
Yeah.
But I think this is the end of this podcast because we don't have much time. So I hope you all can enjoy this podcast. You can get the benefit from this conversation. And I would like to say thank you to you all.
Yes, you're welcome.
Can be able to attend to this podcast.
Don't mention that.
See you in the next episode and in the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.